ChatSpace app, chat, talk, and fun, make new friends nearby. So here's the app. Share your thoughts and meet great people in a messaging app that really puts you in contact with the world and like-minded people. ChatSpace is a messenger that will change the way you interact with others. Are you looking for friendship, trivia, conversation, fun, or expert insights? ChatSpace will help you find and talk to individuals that fascinate you and who listen to you. ChatSpace will make your life much more meaningful as you become part of a growing community. Chat about your passion. Social messaging chat app created to connect real people, their hobbies, experiences, their passion. Just download the app to start interacting, get in, start talking, that's all. Connect with others, rely on our solid tech and privacy, images and GIFs. So then you can just go and just install it like this. And yeah, here you have this is just how it looks like. And you can just open it up and confirm. So then you can just see this is kind of your profile where you can just start. Then you can just start chatting with random people, I guess. And then you have coins, which you can get coins. The first message of each chat is free. Additional messages cost each 8 coins. So kind of this is the app. You can always delete your account. But yeah, that's the idea.